Hi everyone! Today we will learn about. Here are some useful conversation examples. Let's take a look.
At a bookstore. Excuse me, where is the fiction section?
It is upstairs on the second floor, to your left.
Thank you. Actually, do you have any recommendations?
Sure. What kind of books do you like?
I love mystery novels, something exciting.
Oh, you should try The Silent Patient. Everyone loves it.
Really? What is it about?
It is about a woman who stops speaking after a crime. Very suspenseful.
That sounds amazing. I will get it.
You will not regret it. It is a page-turner.
Perfect. Is it upstairs too?
Yes, in the mystery section. I can show you if you like.
That would be great. Thanks so much. At a farmer's market.
Wow, look at all these fresh vegetables.
I know, right? Everything looks so good.
Let's start with the tomatoes. They look amazing.
How much are they?
$3 per pound. Fresh picked this morning.
That's a great price. How many should we get?
Maybe 2 pounds? We can make pasta sauce.
Perfect. We'll take 2 pounds, please.
Oh, they have strawberries over there.
Let's go check them out. These look delicious.
Can we try one?
Of course. Help yourself.
So sweet. We have to get some.
Definitely. How much is a basket?
$5 for a large basket.
We'll take 2 baskets, please.
2? That's a lot of strawberries.
I know, but they're so good. We can make smoothies.
True. What else do we need?
Maybe some lettuce and carrots?
There's a stand over there with greens.
Let's go. I love shopping here.
Me too. Everything is so fresh. At the vet. Hi, my dog hasn't been eating well for 2 days.
I see. What's your dog's name?
Max, he's a golden retriever.
Okay, let's take a look at Max. How old is he?
He's 5 years old.
Has he been drinking water?
Yes, but less than usual.
Any vomiting or diarrhea?
No, nothing like that.
That's good. Has he been active or lazy?
Much more lazy than normal. He just sleeps all day.
I see. Any changes at home recently?
Actually, yes. We just moved to a new apartment.
Ah, that could be it. Dogs can get stressed from big changes.
Really? So he's okay?
His vital signs look good. It's probably just stress and anxiety.
Oh, thank goodness. What should I do?
Give him time to adjust. Keep his routine as normal as possible.
Should I give him any medicine?
Not yet. Let's wait a few days and see if he improves.
Okay, thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. Call if anything changes.
At a birthday party.
Sarah, happy birthday!
Thank you. I'm so glad you could make it.
Here, I got you something.
Aw, you didn't have to. Oh my gosh.
Do you like it?
I love it. This book has been on my wish list forever.
I remembered you mentioning it.
You're such a good friend. Come on, let's get some food.
Yes, everything looks delicious. Did you make all this?
No way. My sister helped me with everything.
Wow, it looks amazing. I'm trying the pasta salad first.
Oh, you have to try the chocolate cake too. It's homemade.
I definitely will. So how does it feel to be another year older?
Don't remind me. But honestly, I feel grateful.
Grateful? How so?
I have amazing friends like you, a good job, and my health.
Oh, that's sweet. Here's to another great year.
Cheers! Thank you for being here.
Wouldn't miss it for the world. When are we doing cake?
In about 30 minutes. I can't wait.
Me neither. This party is so much fun.
At a car dealership. Hi, I'm interested in buying a new car.
Welcome. I'm Alex. I'd be happy to help you.
Thanks. I'm Sarah.
What kind of car are you looking for?
Something reliable and good on gas. Maybe an SUV?
Great choice. Let me show you our SUV selection.
Perfect. What's your most popular model?
This one, the Honda CR-V. Everyone loves it.
It looks nice. How much is it?
The base model starts at $28,000.
That's a bit high. Do you have anything cheaper?
We have some certified used models, much more affordable.
Really? Can I see them?
Of course. Follow me. Here's a 2022 model with only 15,000 miles.
Wow, it looks brand new. How much?
$22,000, and it still has warranty.
That's better. Can I test drive it?
Absolutely. Let me get the keys.
I've never test driven a car before.
Don't worry. I'll come with you and guide you.
Okay, thank you. What should I look for?
Just see how it feels. Check the brakes, acceleration, comfort.
All right, let's do it. At the post office. Hi, I need to mail this package, please.
Sure. Where are you sending it?
To Seattle, Washington.
Okay. Let me weigh this for you.
How much will it cost?
It depends on the shipping speed. We have regular, priority, and express.
What's the difference?
Regular takes 7 to 10 days and costs $12.
Okay, and priority?
Priority is 3 to 5 days for $20.
And express?
Express is 1 to 2 days but costs $35.
I'm not in a rush. I'll do regular.
Good choice. Do you want tracking?
What's that?
It means you can see where your package is online.
Oh, that's helpful.
Tracking is included with this service.
Great.
And would you like insurance?
How much is that?
For this package, about $5.
No, that's okay. The contents aren't valuable.
All right, so $12 total.
Here's my card.
Here's your tracking number. You can check it tonight.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Job interview.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you. Good morning.
So, Sarah, tell me a little about yourself.
Well, I graduated from college 2 years ago with a degree in marketing.
I see. And what have you been doing since then?
I've been working at a small advertising company as a junior marketer.
That's great experience. Why are you looking for a new position?
I want more opportunities to grow and learn new skills.
That makes sense. What are your strengths?
I'm very creative, and I work well under pressure.
Good. Can you give me an example?
Sure. Last month, a client needed a campaign in just 3 days.
That's tight. What did you do?
I worked overtime and delivered it on time. The client loved it.
Excellent. What about weaknesses?
Sometimes I'm too much of a perfectionist.
I see. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. What does a typical day look like in this role?
You'd work on multiple projects and collaborate with our team.
That sounds perfect. I love teamwork.
Great. We'll be in touch soon.
Thank you for this opportunity. Making small talk with a neighbor. Hi, Alex. Beautiful day, is it not?
Hey, Sarah. Yes, the weather is gorgeous today.
Finally, some sunshine. I was so tired of the rain.
Me too. So, how have you been?
Pretty good. Busy with work as usual. You?
Same here. Oh, I saw you got a new car.
Yes, just got it last week. I am loving it so far.
Nice. What kind is it?
A Toyota hybrid. Great gas mileage.
Smart choice. Hey, are you going to the building barbecue next Saturday?
Yes, I am bringing potato salad. Are you going?
Definitely. I will bring drinks.
Perfect. See you there then.
See you.
Returning an item at a store. Hi, I need to return this sweater, please.
Of course. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is. I bought it last week.
Okay. Is there something wrong with it?
No, it is just too small. I need a larger size.
I see. Would you like to exchange it or get a refund?
Exchange, please. Do you have this in a medium?
Let me check for you. Yes, we have medium in stock.
Oh, great. That is perfect.
Here you go. Would you like to try it on first?
Actually, yes, just to be sure.
The fitting room is right there. Take your time.
Thank you. You have been so helpful.
My pleasure.
Meeting a roommate for the first time. Hello? Anyone home?
Hi, you must be Sarah. Come in.
Yes, nice to meet you.
I'm Alex. Welcome. Let me show you around.
Thanks. This place is really nice.
Yeah, I like it. So this is the living room.
Very spacious. Do you have the TV?
Yes, that's mine, but we can both use it anytime.
That's great. I love watching movies.
Me too. Here's the kitchen. We'll share everything here.
How should we handle groceries?
Maybe we can take turns or split the bill.
Splitting sounds fair to me.
Perfect. And here's your room.
Oh, wow. It's bigger than I expected.
Yeah, you got the bigger room. Any questions?
What about cleaning?
We can make a schedule. Maybe alternate weeks.
That works. Do you have any rules?
Not really. Just respect each other's space and clean up after yourself.
Of course, same here.
I think we'll get along great.
I think so too. I'm excited to live here.